fra Toyota Luka att söka konserterna så då och bestämma sig om man ska leva legend ut i allt där borta men du får det söka kan det lova värst med det kanske vi Thorstein så släpper vi det ja det han är en färdig då vi
Oh my god, nice.
Welcome to the Wacken cooking show.
Att jag har en massa runda men 20 som det är för. Så kom Galaien till Outjerna. För att finna av hur det som vinner Metal Battle i år. Jag vet, det vet inte.
We've seen fantastic performances. We had a great vibe. All the bands together. Metal Battle is not about fighting each other. It's we fight for metal.
Each country is sending one judge to the Wacken Open Air to watch all the bands, and then the jury in the end finds the winner. Yeah, after watching all bands the whole Wednesday, spending on the Bullhead City tent and the half Thursday. So it's a tough job. Thanks a lot to the jury.
Are you ready? All right, I believe you. Okay, then let's no longer drag this out and go straight into it while I'm doing this really long sentence just to distract you. Félicitations pour le français, Stenga! Do you want to hear the next winner? Thank you. We're kind of staying in France. We're kind of staying in France, according to your list. I've seen that name here.
Oh yeah, right. Now we got it. Yeah.
When there was a picture of us posted half naked on the Wacken page, there was a lot of homophobic comments, and I know that everybody in here is better than that. So together, let's fight homophobia and metal. Thank you.
So wait, I think there's a connection between me and that country.
Oh yeah, you're living there now.
Indeed.
We moved from France to the Netherlands.
And don't run away.
Or if I can pronounce it right. But I will try. So, second place is Romania, Iana.
Thank you. Okay, what is it now? But first you want to hear them again.
I hear.
You want to hear the name of the winner of the Wacken Metal Battle 2017? If so, now say yeah! Big up all the participants, and we have a guitar from Mexico, right? We have it at the sleeping quarters. We're going to give you your guitar, okay?
We came, we saw, Hey dude, Nate. Hey! Sorry, stick some admin. How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing? Hey, boss.
Wacken's hard.
There even is a fish in it. Prost, Alter! Like they say in Germany. Prost, ihr Säcke! Prost,
Prost,
du Sack!
ihr Säcke!
Prost, du Sack!
Prost, du Sack!
Light up from the sky of light, I am watching and enjoy, and the coffee was a rush and you to slow. Walk your mouth, black and text, no, to fight me like a man. I'm a bird and so whiskey, angels sleeping, it's a
Yes, yes. Hier wie George Julius is van de Twin.
What's up, motherfuckers? Hope you're doing great. I miss you. I love you. See you soon. Cheers.
Score, motherfucker!
Cheers, buddy!
Where's your world trophy?
This is the World Cup. That is the small cup. America, lift the World Cup.
Ich bin die einzige Raucher in dieser Gruppe an diesem
It's gonna cost me a fortune to send it to you, Yasin. But JJ is the coolest drummer on the planet.
The goodest.
Keep the motherfucking metal flame alive in Morocco, brother. Why? Wakan! Here you go.
Hey Heidi. What are you bringing me?